There may be countries in this world that make it very difficult to become a citizen, but on the opposite side of the spectrum, there are some that very much facilitate the procedures. Let's take a look on some of them. Number 7. Canada. Canada offers a simple path to citizenship. Unless you have a job in Canada, you need proof of other income to obtain residency. For example, a single person needs 12,000 Canadian dollars as proof of funds to immigrate as a skilled immigrant. After becoming a permanent resident, you can apply for naturalization as a Canadian citizen after 4 years. Furthermore, Canada does permit dual citizenship. Number 6. Ireland. A person can qualify to become a naturalized citizen of Ireland by living there for 1 year continuously, plus 4 years cumulative residency over the 8 years preceding the 1 year. The Irish government may even be willing to waive part of the residency time requirement if you can sufficiently document Irish ancestry or other associations with Ireland. If you happen to have a provable Irish grandparent, you may be able to become an Irish national just by virtue of your ancestry. Ireland does permit dual citizenship. Number 5. Singapore. Singapore offers a simple route to become a citizen. First, obtain a permanent residency by establishing a business in Singapore, obtaining employment there, or marrying a citizen of Singapore. After 2 years of residency, you can then apply to become a naturalized citizen. The downside is that Singapore does not allow dual citizenship. You must renounce your prior citizenship to become a citizen of Singapore. Number 4. Uruguay. If you are part of a family unit, actually living on the ground in Uruguay, you can apply for citizenship after 3 years, so long as you can show substantial ties to the country. Owning real estate, renting a real apartment, being a member of social clubs, and having a local doctor all count. If you are single, the timeline is 2 years longer, 5 years in total. However, family unit does not only refer to a spouse. A single child can live with a parent, for instance, and still qualify. Number 3. Argentina. In order to be able to apply for citizenship in Argentina, you have to live in the country for 2 years and be over 18 years old. As the citizenship law has existed unchanged since 1869, there are many precedents based on which the Supreme Court is able to resolve almost any immigration-related problem. Citizenship has been granted to immigrants who lack legal residency, works without legal permit, or enter the country illegally, and in exceptional cases, even to immigrants with criminal records. Recently, the Federal Chamber of Parana established that nobody can be considered an illegal alien in Argentina, since the concept of legality applies only to actions violating criminal laws, and the violation of the immigration law is considered a simple administrative issue. Number 2. The Dominican Republic. One has to show a minimum monthly income of $2,000 a month in order to be eligible for citizenship in the Dominican Republic. Provided this basic requirement is met, an individual can apply directly for permanent residency. After holding the permanent residency for 2 years, the individual can then apply for citizenship. The whole process takes about 3 years, and in 2015 costs approximately $6,000 for residency and citizenship application fees. The citizenship process also requires an interview conducted in Spanish and a medical exam. Dual citizenship is permitted in the Dominican Republic. Number 1. Peru. Peru offers a 2-year path to citizenship that requires minimal effort and a small investment. The cost of the 2-year fast track to citizenship is $25,000, and it may even be possible to make installment payments on the fee. Applicants for residency are typically approved within 3 months, after which you have a 6-month time period to settle your affairs in your current home country before moving to Peru to finalize your residency visa. You can then apply for citizenship after residing in Peru for 2 years. Citizenship requires taking tests in Spanish language and in Peruvian history and culture. Peru also allows dual citizenship.